Hey guys, today we are going to be going over how to shim. In this case, it is a key in knob or key in lever cylinder. It could be any deadbolt, doorknob, commercial or residential that you have to rekey. Don't have current keys for it, or your customer doesn't have current keys for it, and you just don't want to pick it. You're either new to locksmithing and you're not great at lock picking, or sometimes guys just don't feel like picking it. So the things that you're going to need, we already have our tailpiece removed. You're going to need your plug follower, in this case an SC1 or SC4 key blank, and one of these little shims. So we're going to go ahead and insert this shim right into the back, just like that. So right now it's hitting one of those top pins. We're going to apply light pressure. We're going to insert our key until we can slide that shim past those pins, right in between, right at the shear line. So let's see, you can use either an SC1 or SC4. I have better luck with this one. All right, so we just got one. Slightly pull it out, wiggle, boom, we got the second one. I believe this is 6-pin. Pull it out, reinsert. There we go. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Okay, it is a 6-pin, so we have one more. And there we go. So we have that picked, essentially. Now all you would have to do is continue with your regular rekey. So take your follower, and there we go. So you can see in here that it was 6-pin. So we did need the 6-pin, the SC4 key blank. But that is how you would bypass that lock in order to rekey it for your customer in an all keys lost situation. For us, we do not charge any extra for all keys lost versus not. As you just saw, it was pretty quick to be able to do that. If you get really good at it, it's almost as quick as just taking the key, the operating key itself. So I hope that helps, and good luck.